Hello, Grand Prairie. I'm Jim Barber, better known to you as Mr. Batman, reporting for GPS News. We are tracking a significant weather event developing for our region, an Arctic blast that's set to bring some winter mischief our way. Today is January 19th, 2026. The winter bill due. Class is in session. Now think back on the winter we've had so far. It's been relatively mild, hasn't it? Well, in atmospheric physics, nature seeks balance. You can think of it like a credit card bill. We've been enjoying the mild weather on credit, but the bill is finally coming due. The data indicates that we are going to pay for those warm days starting this weekend. The status of this winter bill is officially overdue, and the payment method is going to be a surge of very cold, Arctic air. The Arctic cold front. Here is the main event. We are looking at a full-fledged Arctic cold front, arriving late Friday and pushing through the weekend. Now, as a science teacher, I watch the models closely, and in the last 24 hours, the data has, quote, flip-flopped decisively to support this deep freeze. Friday will start okay, but notice that arrow plunging downward? That is the front arriving. It brings with it not just cold, but winter mischief. We need to be ready for a rapid transition from comfortable to deep freeze conditions within a very short window. Precipitation and travel. Let's talk about the mess this system brings. For the northern half of Texas, including us here in Grand Prairie, we are looking at a mix of freezing rain, sleet, and potentially snow starting late Friday. This isn't just about it being cold, it's about the roads. The map shows travel is likely to become difficult, if not impossible, by Saturday. My advice? If you have plans this weekend, start building contingencies now. You do not want to be caught on the highway when this transition happens. The plunge. Temperature graph. I want you to look at this graph. This is the plunge. We are predicting a 40-degree temperature drop in a matter of hours. We go from the 50s or 60s on Friday straight down through the freezing point, bottoming out in the single digits or teens. Highs will struggle to get above 32 degrees for 2 to 3 days. When you combine that with wind chills near zero, this is dangerous cold. This rapid drop is what catches people off guard. Don't let the Friday morning warmth fool you. The midweek precursor. Before the main event on the weekend, we have a precursor. Tuesday night into Wednesday, we will see showers increasing across the eastern half of the state. This is just a cold rain. No severe storms or flooding expected, just dampness. Think of this as the rain before the ice. While this part of the system isn't the dangerous freeze, it saturates the ground and roads right before the temperature crashes later in the week, which is a critical factor in how the ice will form later. Senior spotlight and fire danger. I want to take a moment for a senior spotlight. To my fellow seniors, this drop in barometric pressure and the dampness coming midweek is a recipe for joint pain and arthritis flare-ups. I know I feel it, and you might too, so have your heating pads ready. But there is a silver lining. This rain is much needed for our land. It's going to knock our fire danger down from moderate high to low across the entire state. So we trade one risk for another, but at least the wildfire threat is diminishing. Safety assignment, logistics. All right, here is your homework assignment. Part 1, logistics. We have go days and no-go days. Wednesday and Thursday are your go days. The roads are safe. I need you to run your errands now. Get your groceries, pick up your prescriptions, and get your supplies. By Friday, the window closes. Saturday and Sunday are strict no-go days. Travel will be treacherous. Please, do not plan on being on the roads this weekend. Complete your to-do list by Thursday evening. Home science, the 3 petaseconds. Part 2 of your assignment is home science, the 3 petaseconds. Pipes. Wrap your outdoor faucets and insulate any exposed plumbing. A frozen pipe is a mess you don't want. Pets. Bring them inside. The rule is simple science. If it's too cold for you, it is absolutely too cold for them. And plants. Cover or bring in your sensitive vegetation. This freeze will be hard enough to kill anything left exposed. Take care of your stewardship responsibilities before the front hits Friday night. Health. Hydration. Part 3 is about your health, and specifically, hydration. This is something many people miss. When Arctic air moves in, the humidity drops like a rock. The science tells us that in this dry air, you dehydrate much faster than you realize because your sweat evaporates instantly. The instruction is simple. Keep drinking water, even if you don't feel thirsty. Your body needs that fluid to regulate its temperature and keep your immune system functioning in the cold. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. The bottom line. Here is the bottom line. Don't be frightened. Be prepared. I know we all have memories of past storms, but the data suggests this is not a repeat of the severe 2021 freeze that crippled the grid. It will be very cold, and it will be messy, but it is manageable if we prepare now. Mr. Batman wants you warm, safe, and off the roads. If you follow these steps, stock up Thursday, protect your home, and stay inside, we will get through this weekend just fine. Stay connected. Stay connected with us for updates. You can scan these codes to visit gpsnews.mrbatman.com for the latest weather data, or check out biologosacademy.com for our Torah and Bible resources. As we hunker down, remember our mission to make the kingdom great again, as we reflect on Matthew chapter 5 verse 19. Let's use this time indoors to study, reflect, and stay safe. I'm Mr. Batman, Jim Barber, signing off from Grand Prairie. Stay warm, everyone.